we're headed south a little bit. It sounds like another unique beach that we're probably gonna love in Brazil.
The tide has risen and now you can't get to it. So we're gonna sit right here, basically in the ocean. Look at all these cliffs and bluffs over here. Even when you're in a hot country like Brazil, a hot country, sometimes you do get cold. So on buses and sometimes on planes like this. So you can't just pack your tank tops and things like that. You have to pack something for colder weather or air-conditioned weather. I actually only packed one sweatshirt. This small little thing. It's by Unbound Merino and it's a travel hoodie. This is a moisture-wicking, odor-resistant, highly compressible, breathable fabric. It's great for travel because it's good for cold weather. It's even good for hot weather because it's breathable and you can wear it for days or weeks and it doesn't get smelly because it's odor resistant. If you want a good travel sweatshirt, travel jacket, and you want to only pack one thing, this thing is great. All right.
It's hard to find good travel clothes sometimes, so definitely check this out. It doesn't wrinkle. He's been cramming it in his backpack and it still looks great. You never have to iron it or wash it, really. Go check out this sweatshirt. This brand is great in general. We are gonna watch some Breaking Bad and probably only get through one episode, but that's okay.
What's up guys, we are in Fortaleza and right now we're going to pick up our second rental car to continue our road trip of Brazil.
Road trip number 2 of Brazil, we're on our way now. Getting an Uber.
To Localiza Hertz in the airport.
Hoping Uber actually works this time because last night we had a really hard time and could not get an Uber for whatever reason, so we're hoping. We figured it out. Alex just had to update his card, so that's good. We got an Uber. Here they are. What's the number?
66 I think.
We had to put our luggage in the front because there's not much room back here. From our last car that we rented. This one's bigger.
Let's check it out. We're doing an SUV this time. What is it? It's a Chevy something. It's a Chevy Tracker. Good looking car. Oh, smells like a new car. Looks like a new car. This is gonna be nice.
We just hopped in the car. We are looking over our itinerary that our friend Lucas made for us. He's been awesome. He spent hours planning our trip for us, basically. We're gonna leave his Instagram down below. Go give him a follow. So today he's having us go to Canoa Quebrada, and on the way there we're gonna stop at a beach called
Praia dos Fontes.
You wanna tell him what it is?
Praia dos Fontes. He says this place is something else. You can have a snack on the way there. The beach is gorgeous. Save some time to explore it. Walk the rock formations. Check the natural sweet water falling from the rocks.
Oh.
Yeah, a bunch of stuff. It sounds pretty cool. So we are gonna stop there. It should take about an hour to get there from Fortaleza.
Yep, so we're headed south a little bit. We're gonna grab some lunch there. It sounds like another unique beach that we're probably gonna love in Brazil. this place looks awesome. We're seeing some rocks that overlook the ocean and they're covered with sand. Looks pretty unique. We're excited to check it out.
Okay, we just arrived to the beach. Completely windy, hopefully you can hear us. And there's a little restaurant here with tables out on the beach. So I think we're gonna grab something to drink, maybe something to eat over here. Wow, big fish. Look how big that is. So we see a restaurant down there that we were gonna go to, but it looks like the tide has risen and now you can't get to it. Only maybe if you go up and on the other side.
Guess we gotta find other options.
It's just in the water now. So we're gonna sit right here, basically in the ocean.
He was nice enough to move the umbrella for us because the tide is coming up, but we wanna sit right by the water. This is gonna be a very nice view. There's crabs.
Wow, cool. So this guy just set up this whole place for us right off of the water, because before we would have been in the water. Now we have maybe 10 feet in front of us. Can't get much closer than this without being actually in it. It's pretty
Hopefully
good.
the tide doesn't catch us, but he said the tide would be going out soon, so we should be good. We ordered some carne de sol, and that's for 2 people, and we got a huge jar of mango juice.
So the carne de sol, it comes with French fries, beans, rice.
I think he said like salad, so usually tomato, onion, lettuce.
So when you order these meals in Brazil, if you're not Brazilian, you might not know, pretty much all the time when you get like a plate of meat with something and it comes for 2 people, it comes with the farofa, rice, beans, sometimes French fries, that kind of thing.
So we paid $14 for this meal that we're about to get, but it's for 2 people, so about $7 each. Not bad for all the stuff you get. I'm for the seating. How often do you get this view?
And there are not that many people here. As we look this way, you just have the shoreline with maybe 3 people in the distance. Fishermen mostly. Our mango juice just arrived. It looks good.
Yeah. They always give you a spoon to mix this up because sometimes there's some natural separation.
Fruit is good in Brazil.
Tastes just like a mango. It's like as if you were eating the mango, but it's just in liquid form.
It's thick, as if the mango has just been squeezed, as opposed to like a juice that's been watered down. That just has the flavor of the mango.
All the juices are natural here. Should we ask for another jar?
Sure. Okay, we got our meal. Lately in Brazil, our meals have been taking extremely long. We wait usually over an hour for our meals like this. So this time we made sure and we asked, how long is it gonna take? How long is it gonna take? He said 20 minutes, and I think it came in less than 20 minutes this time.
Yeah.
So pretty good. That's the way to do it. You have to ask, let them know that you're in a hurry, or else they'll take their time.
Looks pretty good.
We have rice and beans here, the French fries, beef, and the salad beneath. Farofa.
People think we're nuts probably. They're like, anything, it's seafood.
carne de sol. It's cooked right. Tastes like roast beef. Very salty in a good way. Good to mix it with the rice and beans.
We made some new friends. I didn't feed them anything at all.
Hello.
Hello, buddy.
Look at all these cliffs and bluffs over here. This beach is different. It's pretty awesome. Of course, nobody says it better than Mr. Drone. Awesome, awesome place. You don't get cliffs and bluffs like this in Brazil that much, at least not so far as we've seen. Only once besides this do we see something kind of similar to this. Look at Lindsay climbing through there. Do you need help? Okay, time to get to our next city.
Need some agua. We have arrived at our usada. There's free breakfast there tomorrow morning. We're paying around, how much are we paying? We're paying more than we normally pay. We're paying about $50 to $60 a night for this one. We're right by the ocean. And this place is gorgeous. There's a pool, all these gardens. The owner loves animals, so there's cats and dogs roaming around. We love it. The parking lot is on the grounds on this grass.
That is nice. That's different. This is the pool. sun is going down, so it's kind of dark in here, but it's pretty spacious. This is our living room, which comes with a bed, I guess. We have a mini fridge, a bathroom, kind of a spacious bathroom, more than we usually get. Nice shower. And then our room has a little bit of personality, unlike the last few that were just completely bare. And we have AC. So, we're all good.
A balcony?
Little balcony out back, but not much of a view.
I don't think we'll be using this too much.
Let's go back in.
So we're happy with this place. It has Wi-Fi, air conditioning, you know, everything we always look for. As we were rolling into this area, what's it called again? Canoa? We're gonna have to put it in text below. Canoa something, and it looks amazing. There are sand dunes, beautiful beaches, so we're gonna be exploring all that tomorrow. But we are exhausted. We are gonna get some food and go to bed, and we'll see you guys in the morning.
See you tomorrow.